everyone, it's Manai and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is safe in their home, and today's recipe is one of my favorites, which is 3 cheese pasta. So let us get started. So first of all, I'm gonna boil some pasta in salt and water. And then in the pan, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and fry it. And then I'm gonna add boneless chicken, make sure to cut in small pieces. And then I'm gonna add mushroom, corn, carrot, and some capsicum. You can take your favorite veggies which you like and fry it. And then for the spices, I'm adding half teaspoon of red chili, half teaspoon of black pepper, and half teaspoon white pepper and fry. Then I'm gonna add my pasta into it. Then for the sauce, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour and mix it. And then I'm gonna add 2 chicken cubes and 2 cups of milk. And then mix it. And then add 1 cup of water and mix it. Then a bit of black pepper, white pepper, and red chili. You can take half teaspoon. And then I took 5 triangles of cream cheese, but I'm using the packet one, but you can even use the bottle one. And then add the sauce in our pasta and make sure to mix it well. Then take out the pasta in a dish, but take out half first. And then add on top some mozzarella cheese. And then take the rest of the pasta out and add some cheddar cheese. So I hope you like this recipe. This was really simple recipe and I loved making it for you. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell when you subscribe it. And don't forget to share it with your friends and families, and comment down below if any other video you would like me to make, and like my channel, hit like, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.